Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Yusuf bin Hashim, and in this video I'm gonna show my final year project demo. My final year project title was IoT based reverse stream quality monitoring system in real time with message queuing telemetry transport protocol. I was supervised under Dr. Muhammad Amri bin MD Yunus. In my final year project 1, I have proposed two objectives. The first one is to develop a wireless real-time reverse stream quality monitoring system with message queuing telemetry transport protocol, and my second objective was to develop application for multi-device platform. Before I start my demo, I want to show my objective 2, which was to develop a monitoring platform, and the monitoring platform was based on Django web framework, which is based on Python. So my application backend is based on Python and the front end is based on HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap and JavaScript. To store the data, I have used PostgreSQL database, and for future development I have made an API which is Django REST API. To complete my objective 1, I need MQTT broker to send the data in MQTT protocol. So I have used Mosquitto MQTT protocol. Mosquitto MQTT broker, and to retrieve that data I have used the Node-RED. My application is hosted in Heroku, and here is the framework. It's in Python, and my application size is only 141.5 MB, and this is the Postgres database I have used. Its size is only 9.6 MB, and currently it have 117 rows. My application login interface looks like this. After you click on login, it will take you to the dashboard, and the dashboard will show all the stations and the locations. So currently I have only one station's name, Johor River, and it shows the station count, how many stations you have, and the device locations. To know the station details, you click on select. It show you all the details. The data when last updated is January 18, 2022 at 1:09 AM. And the area chart shows the graph. Currently it only faced one data, and here's the timestamp of all the data according to date. You can get all the data and the device location. Currently I am inside UTM, so it shows my current location, which is KDOJ. To edit and remove any station, I have also built admin panel. So in this admin panel you can add new stations or edit the current stations. So for example, I edit this one and name as UTM River because I am currently inside UTM, and I reload this page, so it changed to UTM River. So that was the monitoring platform to get the real-time data from the hardware. So for the hardware, I have used both Arduino Nano and Raspberry Pi 4, and sensor. For sensor, I have used temperature sensor and turbidity sensor. For GPS tracker, I have used Neo 6M to track the GPS, to track the station's current location. So that's all about the configurations and the monitoring platform. Let's see my projects.